Okay, guys, it's gonna see at it again. Now today, I want to I want to just like give you a picture of organic chemistry on how you will be able to understand and digest it and feel so interested while reading it. First and foremost, chemistry is a very interesting course. I just love that course. It's very, very interesting. If you understand chemistry, you will know that chemistry is a very lovely course. I studied mathematics in school, but I love chemistry and physics. I just love reading them because they tell me more about the real world. Physics will introduce you to um to the to the energy, to the energy that moves matter, force and energy that moves what? Particles. Okay? Chemistry will tell you how these particles of matter, how they interact with each other to form other particles or to form even more complex combination of particles. You see why chemistry is very interesting. They are connected. If you study quantum mechanics, you will see how connected it is with what? With chemistry. You understand? So now, if you want to enjoy organic chemistry, you need to take it as a game. Let's say the game of shares. You know shares. Now, if you know shares very well, you know the pieces. That is the pieces of shares. Okay, those pieces they have structure. Now, the structures of those pieces of shares, that's the pieces that you use to play shares. The structures, just take it as the structures of organic molecules. Okay, just kind of associate it with the structures of what? Organic molecules. That is, the structures are representing the structures of organic molecules. I'm giving you a picture now. Now, the next thing to do is the naming of those structures. Okay? That is where IUPAC comes in. You need to know IUPAC, the IUPAC nomenclature. You need to know it very well. I have made a video on IUPAC nomenclature. You need to know what you are studying, the name of what you are studying. Like you know the name of yourself, you know your name. So when someone is describing you, you understand the person perfectly. Or when someone is describing any other thing, maybe an animal, because you know the name of the animal, you know whatever that they are talking about the based on the animals, maybe its appearance or its habitat or anything that connects to the animal. Now the third one is the reaction. You know, I'm connecting this thing to game. So you know the pieces of the shares of the game of shares. You can identify them: the bishop, the rook, the or what's it called? What do they call this one? Bishop, queen, king, and pawn. Yeah, yes. So you know their names. So after knowing their names, then you know how to move them. Knowing how to move them in chemistry is knowing how those molecules you can name, how they what, how they react. Like associate the movement in the game of shares with reactions of organic compounds. This is where you will concentrate. Once you know this, I don't think you will find organic chemistry to be stressful again. Honestly, just take it as a game. You are playing a game. You will see how far you will go inside this very interesting part of chemistry. I have a book on organic chemistry. Remember, I told you I studied maths, but I enjoyed reading the book. Okay? I just enjoyed reading the book. Yeah. So it will just help you a lot. So I hope I made a point here. So for those of you that are struggling with organic chemistry, please, maybe you start with hydrocarbons, okay? Aliphatic, aromatic, hydrocarbons. Just start with it. Know their names. Know the functional group table. That is the table of functional groups. Okay, the table of functional groups that are derived from the alkane, and also the very important table, the priority table of functional groups. It will help you a lot. Okay, see you guys in my next video.